Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to speak to you about our billet vertical links for the S550 Mustang. Let's begin with the purpose of the vertical links. On the independent rear suspension of the S550 Mustang, these link the lower control arm to the wheel carrier. They're mounted vertically, and thus the name, and the idea is to reduce the wheel from wanting to carry forward. It sounds kind of crazy, but that's the easiest way to visualize exactly what's happening as you accelerate hard, or if you're coming out of a corner hard. And the idea here is to keep the geometry of the rear suspension in line under hard acceleration or hard cornering. In our other videos, we've talked a lot about how to reduce wheel hop. And we have another great product for you that has two different options to suit your driving needs. Let's begin with the version of our vertical link that we recommend for our drag racing enthusiasts. We equipped this one with Delrin Bushings. That means zero deflection, immediate responsiveness, great 60-foot times, and improved grip because there's reduced wheel hop. And for our corner carvers out there, we offer a polyurethane version. This utilizes a specific durometer that's a great balance between responsiveness, so under hard cornering and hard acceleration and under threshold braking, the vertical links will keep the rear suspension geometry in check. The flip side to this is, as you're going through the corners, you're not going to be fighting the car, continually trying to catch the back of it, because you know that you want the front of the car to come out of the corner before the back does. Both options for our vertical links are constructed of CNC billet aluminum. This is important for a couple of reasons. It's lighter than the factory units and much stronger than our competitors that use welded ends, which are subject to cracking over time. Furthermore, we've designed our vertical links to pivot at the bushings. This is important because as your suspension moves up and down, it can do so freely, unlike the factory vertical links, which will bind and cause an artificial spring rate. Also, our vertical links have a lifetime warranty. We manufacture these in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility because speed matters. If you have any questions or comments, please post below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, hit like and share it. Visit us at Steeda.com to learn more about these and many of our other great products, and don't forget to visit us on social media. Thank you, have a great day.